Hello, family, and welcome back to the show. Well, as you can see, I have three bell peppers: gold, red, and orange. Today, I'm going to be fixing stuffed bell peppers. Yep, stuffed bell peppers for my meal, my greedy lady meal today. And I'll be back. Just wanted to share what I'm going to be making today. I'm going to roast everything inside. I'm going to roast the veggies. I'm going to use a little ground turkey to help stuff these bell peppers, and then also I'm going to have roasted vegetables inside. And I also want to eat some um, applesauce with a few tiny strips, I guess, of papaya and a sprig. I'm going to put like a sprig of mint in there in the applesauce. So stay tuned. I'll be back when everything is ready to be made and ready to show you when I'm done with the final product. Okay. It's really not a cooking show. It's just showing you what I'm eating. My greedy healthy meals are for my gut, sensitive gut. Family. So enjoy. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, family. I have prepared my stuffed bell pepper with ground turkey and a variety of vegetables. And I just had a taste for some lima beans, so I just sprinkle lima beans on top of my stuffed bell peppers. Orange, gold, and yellow. Orange, gold, and red, excuse me. Ooh, the light. And I also roasted some carrots and some zucchini because I like to eat that. And I also have some fresh applesauce, homemade applesauce with a sprig of mint, and I have some limes. And I just put some mint on that. And I also put the lime juice over everything because it's delicious. So, yep. And I also grated some fresh nutmeg on top of my carrots and my applesauce. So this is today's greedy lady healthy diet meal. Hope you guys like it, family. Jitty. Don't forget, check it out. All the ingredients are very tasty. I enjoyed making this. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Oh, I know what I want to tell you guys. I was in settings on YouTube, and I don't know if it's a new feature or not, but I turned it on, and ever since I turned that on, I'm seeing everybody that I have subscribed to. I guess it's everybody I subscribe to. I'm getting notifications of your upload immediately while I'm online. I can see it. So I don't know if you guys turned that on and you see my channel like that, but anyway, just want to let you guys know, if you see me coming by your channel out of the blue, it's because I'm getting your notification now. Because I have several subscribers. I can't keep up with everyone. I try to do my best like back in the past, but it's a new day. And if I see you pop up, I'll come and give you a visit and full watch your video. If it's over 30 minutes, I'll probably do half, but everybody else, I'm watching it and I'm commenting and I'm giving you thumbs up every single time. So that's for the people on YT family. You got my thumbs up for life. And subscribers, supporters also. I'm coming across your channel. That's what you're getting. Thumbs up and a full watch. Alright. I'm about to enjoy my meal. See you guys in a second on the YT. I forgot to say, family, the sprigs of mint are, yes, from my balcony garden. And if I didn't mention, I did order me some new herb plants. I got to check and see when they will be on their way. Hopefully they're um, great product, because I never ordered plants, I don't believe, ever online. So I'll see. If it's okay, then I'll probably do it again in the future. Alright, family. Bye.